Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. If you're new here, I'm Paramjeet, a professional makeup artist, and I post beauty related content here. So if you're interested, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit that small bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So today I'm going to talk about lip liners. Yes, today we are going to discuss what are lip liners, how to choose a lip liner, why you need a lip liner, and also how to apply a lip liner. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Let's begin with the most basic question first. What is a lip liner? A lip liner, which is also called as a lip pencil, is used to fill in the uneven areas of your lips so that you get a more defined and a smoother finish on your lips. It is to be applied before the lipstick and it prevents your lipstick from bleeding and also makes it last longer. Now the next question is, why do you need to apply a lip liner? Now there are no rules for applying a lip liner. You can definitely go ahead and apply your lipstick without applying your lip liner. But a lip liner adds to the color and longevity of the lipstick. When you apply a lip liner and apply the lipstick on top of it, the color of the lipstick brightens up much more. And also the lip liners are opaque and waxier than lipstick. So that's why, especially if you have pigmented lips, it's better that you first apply a lip liner and then apply the lipstick on top of it so that the color of the lipstick shows through clearly and then your pigmented lips do not show on. And if you enjoy using creamy and moisture-rich lipsticks like me, you will understand that whenever we apply these lipsticks and we move out with slightly high temperatures, they tend to melt and start bleeding. मतलब उतर जाती है. But whenever we apply a lip liner with this, the lipsticks tend to stay put and it does not bleed. Now let's get to the different kind of lip liners. There are three different kind of lip liners. The first one is a lip liner pencil, which looks like a regular pencil. You can sharpen it with a normal sharpener and use it as and when required. The second kind of lip liner is a twist up lip liner like this one. This is retractable. The lip liner is inside the plastic encasing and you can just twist out the lip liner and use it as and when required and replace it with the cap. There is no sharpener required with this. The third kind of lip liner is a crayon lip liner, and as the name suggests, it looks like a crayon. So that is why it is super thick, but it gives a softer look, and that is why it is ideal for daily use. I do not personally own a crayon lip liner. However, I will see if I can find a crayon liner's photograph and add it here. It requires a separate sharpener because it's super thick. Now the question is, how many lip liners should one have? Ideally speaking, for every lipstick, you should have a lip liner, but that's not practically possible considering the number of lipsticks that we own, and we purchase lipsticks every time we go out. So that's why if you are someone who's just getting started with lip liner, the first purchase of lip liner should be a shade that matches with your lips. And if you have deep or dark colored lips, then you can go for a tan or a beige or a peach color which suits your complexion. So that would be your nude shade of lip liner. And these nude shades usually go in with any color. So you can apply any lipstick on top of that lip liner, okay? Since I have dark colored lips and a deep skin tone, my neutral shade would be a tan colored lip liner. Once you are sorted with your natural lip liner, what are the common color of lipsticks that we have? These are browns, reds, pinks and wines. So accordingly, you need one brown lip liner, one pink lip liner, one red lip liner and one wine colored lip liner. So that's it. If you have these 5 colored of lip liners, you are sorted for all your lipsticks. In case you have any other lipsticks like orange or lavender colored, you can use your neutral lip liner to create the base against which these colors will pop well. To help you decide what kind of lip liner to go for with what colored lipstick, I have attached a small document in the description box below for you to download and use as a guide the next time you go purchasing for your lip liner. Do let me know in the comment box if you liked it and found it useful. Now let's get to how you should apply a lip liner. Now there are several videos which suggest that you should start from the upper lip and the cupid's bow, that is on the upper area. But I am personally more comfortable starting from the lower lip. So you can start with wherever you want first, but just that start from the middle because here the lip is thick. So even if you go wrong, your lip liner will only go inside towards lip and you have a lot of play area here. So you cannot go wrong much. If you start on the side and if you go wrong, it will be very difficult to correct it there. So that's why I start from the center. If you have dark or pigmented lips, First, apply a dab of foundation or concealer and blend it well to create a base for the lip liner and also to help the lip liner stand out much better. Now use the tip of the lip pencil and start applying small thin strokes. First apply the lip liner on the center of the lips and then go in for the sides and open your mouth fully to get better access to the line. Once you have filled the natural line of the lips, you can then go in to enhance the center to give a more fuller effect. I am slightly overlining my lips. This is because I like to make it appear more fuller. You can overline or underline your lips depending on whether you want to make them appear fuller or smaller. But make sure you do not overdo it because then it starts looking weird. Use the side of the pencil to fill the lips with the liner. Once you are satisfied with the shape of the lip liner, go in with your lipstick. If you want a fuller effect, try applying a darker shade of lip liner before applying a lighter shade of lipstick in the center. In this case, do not fill the darker lip liner in the center of your lips. Use a lip brush to blend the harsh lines between lip liner and the light colored lipstick. And that's it about lip liners today. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask me. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, I love you guys so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.